Hi, my name is Tommy, and this is my story. I went to college to become an engineer, like I wanted to be for all of my life. My workload was piling up in my first semester, and I started to realize that I was in too deep. When the end of my first semester rolled around, I had failed almost every class I was in. I really wanted to keep doing engineering, but I didn't have the time management or the planning skills to continue. For my second semester, I started working with an academic coach at Thrivistor. I worked with my coach, Brian, and he helped me develop valuable planning skills to make sure I stayed up to date with all my classes and got everything turned in on time. But I was still struggling. Brian and I formed a close relationship over my second semester, and he helped me discover why college was still so difficult for me. I was simply in the wrong major. We worked through what I liked as well as what I didn't like about engineering, and I decided that it was time for a change. With Brian's help, I switched my major to industrial design, which had everything that I loved about engineering without anything that was difficult for me. After I made the switch, everything was easier. Now I have a passion for the work I'm doing as well as the time management and planning skills to succeed. Thrivistor absolutely turned around my academic life.